You can't tell right now that it was raining, but when you look here, you can see. Yeah, I'm doing it right now. Yeah. You can see that we've got a running river as I come through here. Yeah. Who knew we were going to be kayaking in the Tabernacle? Wow.
Oh, turn around, dude. Look out from this angle. It's just.
That's crazy. Okay, we've got mostly electronics out, and look at the sun shining. Isn't that crazy?
How about the kayak? That's almost closed. It's on the kayak.
Oh wow.
It's pouring in. Oh my gosh.
It's going to drain this whole piece of grass in here.
I'll be right back.
Yeah, we did that. You know, we did that.
I think so. I think you're right. But it's just saturated.
We did that.